All right, guys, let's give the helicopter a little maiden flight here. So we're out in the field and got it all to ourselves. So let's have a little fun here. So we'll get the battery plugged in. Turn the switch to on. Then we'll get it up, down, bound. See if we can snap this on. So this kind of clicks into the front. Okay, just like that. Fantastic. What a good looking little bird, guys. Look at that thing. I think I need to take a picture of it real quick because that just looks too cool. All right, I haven't flown it yet. Let's see if it flies. Of course it'll fly, right? Set her on the ground. Got our controller. So I'm just going to do the takeoff switch and we'll see what happens. I know you can hold the sticks in the corners, but let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. I haven't even touched the sticks yet, guys. This is crazy. What? Get out of here. Yeah, well, let's fly around a little bit here and see how she feels. So this was on slow, right? So if I let go, what happens? So that's going to bring it up and down. Let me bring it closer. Okay, good flying unit. So this is on slow, so I'm going to click it into medium here. Let's give that a little try. Getting a little vibration there from the wind probably. Okay, yeah, we're a little sportier now. Those lights look so good. Get out of here. Guys, this is sweet. This is sweet. A little vibe, but not bad. So let's go to fast mode. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. This is so cool. Wow. Look at that. If I stab the rudder, it almost looks like it's coming back. Really. Lost a little altitude, but so this is how you go up, guys. Let's do a full throttle punch out, see what we got for power. Not bad, but I mean, it's a little tiny scale chopper, right? What do you expect? I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. So let's hit the landing button. We'll bring it here. Get out of town. All right, I like it. I'm gonna fly the heck out of this at home. Hope you're still recording. Oh, the lights are flashing. Oh no, okay. I'm assuming the lights will probably flash once the battery gets low. I am not gonna try 3D mode tonight. Sorry. I'm keeping it close for the GoPro because I know how that works. What a sick, sick flying chopper. Goodness. Well, this would be a good trainer for flying backwards because you can just let go. I'm gonna use this at home to learn some backwards flying there, y'all. Wow, that is cool. This goes really fast too if you want it to. Heck yeah. Oh, buddy. This thing rips. With the lights, it's easy to see too. This is unbelievable. Yeah, I got a new favorite toy right here. So if you want to land normally, just bring the throttle down. If you hold it, it should quit. Oh, buddy, look at that. Yep, I love it. I love it a lot. This thing is amazing, guys. If you're interested in one, links down below in the description. I am absolutely stoked with this because I can fly a scale helicopter at my house. Who doesn't like that? So like, comment, subscribe, check out the links down below. If you're interested in one, make sure you check it out. They're really affordable for what you get, and you can see it flies really well. I absolutely love it. So appreciate you guys watching this. We'll catch you on the next one. John VHRC out. Cutting weeds.